Welcome to this video on Key Performance Indicators KPIs overview. After watching this video, you'll be able to explain the significance of Key Performance Indicators KPIs in digital marketing and their role in measuring campaign success. You will be able to identify and interpret the key categories of KPIs. Additionally, you will learn how to analyze different KPIs such as traffic sources, content engagement, and conversion rates to optimize marketing strategy and improve business outcomes. KPIs help marketers track, analyze, and improve their digital marketing campaigns. By monitoring the right KPIs, businesses can make data-driven decisions, optimize their marketing efforts, and drive better results. In this video, we will focus on 4 key categories of KPIs: traffic, engagement, conversion, and ROI and performance, breaking down their importance and how to interpret them. Traffic KPIs measure where website visitors come from and how they behave once they land on a page. These metrics help marketers identify the most effective traffic sources and adjust strategies accordingly. Source of traffic. This KPI identifies whether visitors arrive via organic search, paid media, direct traffic, email marketing, or referral links. For example, an online store selling handmade jewelry might analyze data and find that Google organic search brings in the highest traffic, helping them focus more on SEO strategies. New users versus returning users. New users are first-time visitors, while returning users have visited before. Understanding this balance helps businesses refine their marketing strategies. For instance, if a fitness blog receives 10,000 monthly visitors, with 7,000 new users and 3,000 returning users, the blog is attracting fresh readers. However, if returning users are too low, engagement strategies such as email newsletters may be needed. Demographics. Insights into visitor characteristics such as age, gender, and geographic location help tailor content and campaigns. For example, if a marketer sees that New York drives the most website traffic while Miami drives the least, they may focus on improving visibility in Miami. Engagement KPIs measure how users interact with digital content, whether on websites, social media, or emails. Content engagement. This includes social media interactions like likes, comments, shares, and follows, video view duration and completion rates, and blog engagement metrics like time spent on page. For example, if a restaurant posts a recipe video on Instagram that gets 10,000 views but only 100 likes, it may indicate that while people watch it, they are not engaging. Adding a question like, "Would you try this dish?" can encourage more interactions. Email engagement. Metrics such as open rate, click-through rate, CTR, and hard bounce rate help marketers assess the effectiveness of email campaigns. If a clothing brand sends a promotional email to 5,000 subscribers and only 500 people open it, the open rate is 10%. The brand may experiment with a more compelling subject line like "Flash sale, 50% off all jackets today only," to improve engagement. Conversion KPIs measure how well a campaign or website turns visitors into leads or customers. Conversion rate. This is the percentage of users who take a desired action, such as making a purchase, signing up, or downloading content. For example, if an online bakery gets 1,000 monthly visitors and 50 make a purchase, the conversion rate is 5%. Offering first-time buyers discounts can help increase conversions. Conversion rate by source. This compares conversion rates across different traffic sources such as organic search, paid media, and social media. For instance, if a fitness app finds that email has the highest conversion rate, while social media has the lowest, the marketer may increase email outreach while optimizing social media campaigns to improve conversion. These KPIs measure the financial effectiveness of marketing campaigns and ensure marketing spend is generating positive returns. Cost per conversion. This measures how much is spent to acquire a single conversion. For example, if a local gym spends $5,000 on Facebook ads to get 250 new memberships, the cost per conversion is $20. To lower this, they may refine targeting to attract higher quality leads. Return on ad spend, ROAS. This calculates revenue earned for every dollar spent on advertising. If a cosmetic brand's digital dashboard shows that email marketing has the lowest cost per conversion and the highest ROAS, while paid media has the highest cost per conversion, the marketer may allocate more budget to email marketing while optimizing paid media campaigns. Tracking the right KPIs ensures businesses make informed marketing decisions and optimize performance. By understanding traffic, engagement, conversions, and ROI metrics, marketers can refine their strategies to improve audience reach, engagement, and revenue growth. Whether you're new to digital marketing or refining your expertise, mastering these KPIs is essential for campaign success. In this video, you learned how key performance indicators, KPIs, help measure and improve digital marketing campaigns. We covered 4 key KPI categories: traffic, engagement, conversions, and ROI. You explored how to interpret traffic sources, analyze user behavior, track engagement across channels, measure conversion rates, and calculate campaign performance using ROI metrics. Understanding these KPIs empowers you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your marketing strategies for better results.